this stupid thing. Welcome to the Pokemon Squad. My name's John, and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And today, guys, we have this Uforce 800 XL back featured again. But this video is a little bit different. I really love this machine, but there's 3 things I hate about it. Let's get into this. So number 3 reason I hate the Uforce 800 XL, it's just hard to find aftermarket parts for this thing. This windshield is for a Uforce 600. Will it fit this? Well, you just have to buy it and see. And this one pleasantly did, but I definitely could have went the wrong way. The back windshield, if you do get one for the Uforce 600, we've got a video coming up. You've got to re-drill some of the holes because it doesn't line up quite right. You want a lift kit for this thing, you're going to need to do some chopping and some fabrication to get that going. Now, of course, there's universal accessories that do fit and, you know, have fun with that. You want some new shocks? I don't know what to tell you. Have fun. But that's the third thing. Now, this machine's new. There will be newer stuff coming soon, hopefully. And so hopefully this pet peeve of mine will go away soon. The number 2 thing I hate about the Uforce 800 XL is the parking brake. No, not this parking brake. This parking brake. It's very weak. If you park this thing on a hill and you put that into the park gear, this thing will still roll. Now, it clicks when it does it, and I can't always replicate it. And sometimes it doesn't want to get all the way into park. And I'll see if we can get it to do that here in a minute. But I hate that. They also say not to tow these in park because of that weak park gear. It can snap off in there and really tear your whole ride up. And so, you know, that's just something you got to be careful with. If you do tow with this, they say to put it in neutral and then just push this down and then make sure it's strapped good. So that's the second thing I hate about the Uforce 800 XL. All right, so I'm on a little bit of a hill. So I can go through my gears real easy, but not park. It does not want to go into park. And so if you just do this and you think you're in park and you get out, you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it. It like clicks. That can't be good. If you did that on a hill and weren't prepared for it, you might be in trouble. Now, you can take it out. You move it a little bit. And there it goes. But just be careful. All right, the number 1 thing I hate about the Uforce 800 XL is the squeaky brakes. Oh man, every time you brake, you just think they're squealing like a pig. I'll show you this one. This one's a lot easier to show because it does it every time. Now, you can make them stop, just get some speed and slam on those brakes, heat them up real hot, and it'll stop for a while. I can't stand it. Also, my son has a CForce 4-wheeler 500, and the brakes squeal on it no matter if you're pushing them or not. Well, they definitely squeak whenever you hit the brakes. I'll show you. So I know what you're thinking. That's really not that bad. That really isn't too much of a reason to throw a fit. And you know what? I agree. I would buy this machine again in a minute. I love it. It's kind of fun to me finding accessories that almost work and hacking them together and making something that's unique. I do enjoy that, but for the average buyer who, you know, wants to lift this thing up or, you know, maybe throw something extra on it, some aftermarket doors, just not available yet. There are some goodies from CFMOTO. They're a little bit high, which is surprising since these machines are so reasonable. But I guess they got to make their money somewhere. And so, those are the 3 things I hate about the Uforce 800XL. Do you have one? And do you have these same problems I do? Or are you looking to pick one up? If you do, I think you'll really enjoy it. Till next time, don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good pulls. God bless.